All right, guys, as promised, here is a nightly upload. I recorded earlier, but it didn't save for some reason, and now I'm on the road, so I have to re-record, but I did take some notes. I want to talk about Nvidia earnings and how it's going to affect the overall market, but first, I want to talk about a penny stock with you guys very quick. It is EUDA, and they are coming out with a new health supplement that I'm going to tell you about right now. Again, I got my notes here. Make sure to watch the video all the way through, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to tell you what position I took on Nvidia by the end of this. EUDA Health is positioning its next wellness product as an anti-aging supplement, and it's because of the key ingredients that they have inside of it. I will put the key ingredients up on the screen for you so that you guys can actually look into them, but there are plenty of benefits, from skin and beauty benefits to sustained energy throughout the day and metabolic support and just overall high energy. Now, the branding is around the longevity narrative or stem cell regeneration, which appeals to premium wellness buyers. Now, what's important about that is they can adjust the margins based on how much people care about their health, which is a huge space. Now, keep in mind, management is targeting over 500,000 sold in a single year, and on low estimates, that could be $15 to $25 million. Again, that is ticker symbol EUDA. Go check it out. It's only trading at $2 a share. Let's talk about Nvidia. Nvidia has earnings tomorrow on Wednesday, as well as some key earnings with it, but we're mainly focusing on Nvidia and how it will affect the overall market. There's a couple things that I want to note. Nvidia, very overbought. I have key levels that I have drawn out on the chart where I believe it can push at most another 3%, but if things get crazy and it blows past that, then that is the risk that I am willing to take. In fact, I am playing Nvidia to the downside with puts targeting about $157.65 as a target when they drop earnings. Reason being is because Nvidia not only has to crush earnings based on its valuation, but their guidance has to be extremely well. Now, how Nvidia will affect the market is important because this is the largest stock that we have and the largest stock that the entire market is paying attention to see if the stock market will prop up or not. Now, if it goes up only 3%, this kills a lot of premium. It's probably what market makers want, seeing everybody will play the volatility. And that will push the market up to test 645 to 645.50 on the SPY, and it's really just going to be a sideways week. However, what I'm anticipating is about a 13% drop, which will affect the SPY very negatively, and I think it will drop it to 638 as a target on top of that, which also holds up on key support trend lines. Now, if it breaks below that, below 638, CTAs will begin selling. Algorithms will begin to drop these markets at a very fast rate if we break below those levels, but I'm at this point calling for a hold on those levels at least come post Nvidia earnings, and that is what I am watching for. So Nvidia down to 157.65 or somewhere around that region. I don't have my charts pulled up with me, and the SPY down to 638, and that is because it is overvalued and there is more reward as well as a more statistically likelihood that Nvidia will drop and the SPY will have a little bit of a sell-off and a little bit of a cool-off. If things get crazy and they skyrocket, we do still have two catalysts towards the end of the week that can push the markets in the opposite direction of where they go after Nvidia earnings. So we have Nvidia earnings, which maybe people will say Nvidia earnings is bad. Why is the market going up? Well, it's because maybe we have the Q2 GDP report on Thursday and then August PCE on Friday. Okay, so there are several catalysts that we have to pay attention to as well. Also, IV might be cranked on Nvidia for anybody playing options. I am not looking at it right now. I'm already positioned. If you want to know the exact position, join the Discord, linked in the description. Also, if you want to play a possible sympathy play where IV is not high, but it might have a big move up or down alongside Nvidia, check out ticker symbol SMCI. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for this quick update. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to watch the video I uploaded earlier and let me know which way you are playing earnings on Nvidia.